Okay, so here we have my 2008 HHR panel, missing windows. I'm gonna change the headlights. A while back I put some LED lights in, and I was always concerned about the LED lights that there was a fan inside of them, and I would used to hear the fan running. You could hear the fan running while when the car's off. You hear little fans going. So I don't hear the fan running anymore. And what's happening is the headlights, I think some of the LED pieces, bulbs in there, are out. Because the light at night, I can't even see anything. They're shining now, but the pattern is all the pattern is all the way over to the left. I could barely see at night with these things. If I put the high beams on, it's fine. But I think because of the fan, something must be overheating. So I went online. I got new ones. These do not have a fan. It's just a heat sink on here. It's been about maybe 3 years. So maybe the technology's a little bit better. But these don't have a fan on them. So there's no fan to go bad. So we're going to try these and see if these work. How these work out. Alright, so gotta grab these things out of there. I think I have to I think what I have to do is pull out the fender liner to get into the headlight. I'm almost positive. Like I said, it's been a while. Yeah. There's just a metal bar right there. Yeah. The frame's right there. You can't get in there. So I gotta go through the fender well and reach in there and do the lights. That means I also have to turn the wheel because there's no way I can fit my hand in there. So let me do that. I'm going to pull it out and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so I took out these little push pins. Right? And there's actually a screw up here. Anyway, so headlights there. I see it right there. So I'm going to reach my hand in there, take that out. Alright, just reach my hand up in here, push this fender well out of the way, it's in the tire. It's alright. Alright, I have my hand on the bulb. Turn it. Here we go. Let's see. Should be the original connector somewhere. Okay. So there's a box connected with this thing. Okay, headlights on. Yeah, see, there's a little fan right here. It is not spinning. And let's look at the bulb. That one's out. That one's out. So I only have one of the 3 bulbs are working. So that's the problem right there. And I'm almost guaranteed it probably got overheated since that fan stopped cooling it. If I turn the brights on, let me see what happens if I turn the brights on, because the brights work. Turn the brights on. Ah, see? You can't. All 3 are going. So something happened with the low beams. I don't know if it's like on here, if there's different bulbs for the high and low. I can't really see that much right now. I'm blind because I looked into the lights. But anyway, so there's a box and I zip tied it. Now I remember. Yeah, right there. Zip tied the box. So I'm going to cut that and then I'll be able to take this out. Zip tie off. Can't get any of these tires. Alright, zip tie to cut. So here's the box, and here's the original connector. And I just pull it out. And this goes in the trash. Here's the new one. Huh? Similar. You know, it doesn't have as many bulbs on it. This one has a triangle, right? It has 3. This only has 2 sides. But it looks like it's a stock connector. Should you just go right in? They gave me these. For non-flicker. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug it in and see what it looks like. Let's just plug it in. Okay, let's see if it works. I think it looks fine. Let's try high beams. Oh, I guess something happens. All right. So I don't think I need these anti-flicker things. Okay, let's put this in. Can't really see anything. There. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I don't know, can't really tell, but I think it's brighter and it looks a lot better than where the other one is. So now I just have to do this side, do the same thing. Take this out, stick my hand in there, switch them out. All right, well, there you go. New headlights are in. I got a little bit dirty. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with the old ones. Usually I kind of hang on to stuff like this because, yeah, they kind of still work. But I don't need extra junk laying around, so I think they're going in the trash. Well, that's it. That was a short little video of the headlights. It's not that hard to do. If you want to replace the whole headlight assembly, that's a pain. You have to take the whole bumper off to take that off, to do that. The whole bumper. I mean, the bumper comes off easily, but it's just a lot more work. You take the whole bumper off, and then you can get to it. But I just stick my hand in the fender well, and there you go. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope that was a good video. Maybe you learned something. Do not buy those LEDs with the fans. I knew it was going to go out, but at the time that I bought them, there wasn't really that much choices. Those headlights with the fans, there wasn't that much choices. All of them had fans. There was some that had like a little ribbon, and I wasn't quite sure about that. So I'm going to test these out and see how long these last. The other one lasted probably about 3 years maybe with those fans, but it seems like once those fans went out, that's when I had problems. I kind of, when I would shut the car off, the fans would run for a little while, and I noticed that they stopped running, and then after that, the headlights were really poor. That's it. Thank you very much. Please, if you like these videos, subscribe. Thanks.